The 250 West continues to just be absolutely decimated with injuries. Adding another one being that guy right there, Ryder DiFrancesco. And you gotta say, it sucks. He's had a pretty solid start to the season, being a fourth and a fifth in the 2 rounds so far. I think he's fifth in points overall. And Sean Murphy, the Rockstar Energy Gas Cask Factory Racing team manager, said, quote, "I am gutted that we share the news of Ryder D's practice crash at RD Field yesterday. Ryder was immediately transported to the hospital where he was evaluated for his injuries. In just his second year of racing Supercross, Ryder had been showing incredible talent and was making significant strides towards the podium. This setup early in the season is gut wrenching, or setback is early in the season is gut wrenching, as Ryder was on an upward trajectory, improving with each round. Our rider's safety and health will always be our top priority, and we will ensure that Ryder takes the necessary time to recover fully and come back stronger." Now, they didn't list what his injuries were. If he's had to be taken to the hospital and there's no time frame and there is no list of what was injured, that doesn't sound great. Normally, if it's something like this, it's hey, he crashed, he, sprained an ankle or pulled this or broken arm or whatever. It normally they tell you some sort of if they're going to put out a press release, there is the normalcy of, yeah, they don't really tell you everything, but they might tell you it's this or that or he whatever. If they're just saying injuries and there's no time frame for his return, um, it doesn't sound very good. And obviously, this comes after what Kitchen moved because of sickness. We've got Marchbanks and um, Masterpool injured. You've got the Shimoda injury, whatever you want to call it. You got Hampshire gone. Cochran gone. You've got Faulkner moved over. Technically, never got injured, but he's moved to the west or the east. This class is just getting decimated. I mean, like half of the big names, or a good portion of the big names of people who factory riders should be competitive riders are now either moved to the East Coast or injured with little to no, I guess, time frame. We don't know about Masterpool if he's gonna come. I mean, he's sitting out this weekend. Don't know if he's coming back. Uh, Marchbanks injured. Don't know his time frame. Now we have Ryder D injured. Don't know a time frame for him. Obviously, 250s are half the year, so they're a shorter season. It's obviously not exactly the best thing in the world to be injured for any part of it. I mean, obviously, if you're this guy at 4 or 5 and then you're missing a round, you're out of the title contention at this point. I mean, you'll be what, 30, 40 points back probably by the time you come back. So it sucks to see. I mean, obviously 4 or 5, solid start. No podiums, but I mean, that's right up there. That's competitive finishes. That's not seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, like, or going down one good, one bad. That's a solid start to the year. Especially second year over. And oh yeah, and I forgot. Styles Robertson's also injured. Forgot about that one. He moved over here from the east, and he's now hurt. So, I mean, this sucks. This year is just the 450 so far. Knock on wood, everyone's still going. There might be some nagging stuff, but everyone's still going. But the 250s, man, they're just getting absolutely decimated. Hopefully, all these people we'll get a break after this year, or after this year. We'll get a break after this week and go east. Hopefully, a lot of these people can come back. We'll maybe get, hopefully, again, knock on wood, we'll get Marchbanks and hopefully, Frank DiFrancesco isn't as bad and we'll get an update for that. But as far as we know now, there's no time frame. He has injuries and he went to the hospital, and who knows? When we hear more, when I hear more, when I see more, I will make an update for you all. But yeah, so you guys tell me. Are you excited for A2 coming up? Do you think Deegan's going to have a better start? Do you think Shimoda is going to race the night? Or how well is he going to do if he does? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.